Good morning, everybody. As yesterday we introduced computer to my fellow students, today we are going to proceed from where we stop. We are going to proceed on component of computer. Basically, we have three components of computer. Number one, we have what we call hardware. We have what we call software. And we have what we call peopleware. The hardware are the physical part of computer that we can see and touch. And this, as an example of this hardware, we have what we call keyboard, we have mouse, we have printer, we have joystick, light fan. All we can see them and touch them physically. So anything we can see them and touch them physically in computer system is what we call hardware. Then this hardware is divided into two. We have what we call peripheral devices and the system unit itself. Peripheral devices peripheral, the outside devices that you cable to connect with the computer, to connect with the system unit are called peripheral devices. We have like keyboard and mouse and printer also. Anything that use cable and computer is called peripheral devices. Peri means outside devices, that the devices that are not together with the computer but they help computer to work together. We call them peripheral devices. And the next one is the system unit. The system unit is the case where it comprises so many components. Like the central processing unit itself is inside the system unit. The operating system also is inside the system unit. So this is brief about the hardware. Then when we move to the software, these are the set of program designed in order to solve a particular problem. This software help hardware to work together. Example of software in computer, we have operating system. This software is divided into two. We have two types of software. We have the system software and the application software. The system software came along with your computer system since from the manufacturers, while the application software is just a user-defined process. Someone designed them in order to solve a particular problem inside the computer system. The system unit, example of the system unit, we have like the OS, that is the operating system I mentioned. The OS is in charge of checking all the responsible work. If you instruct computer to do a work, the operating system will come and pick the data directly to the CPU for processing. After CPU finish processing the work, then the next one is operating system will take that work to output unit for the user to see the tasks that computer done. So in this regard, the software cannot work without hardware, and at the same time the hardware cannot work with software. If in a situation whereby there is no hardware and there is no software, definitely your computer cannot be able to work perfectly. Then the next one is the peopleware. The peopleware are the people that use computer system. For example, now if you didn't own your phone cannot be able to work. Likewise, computer, if there is no peopleware, computer cannot be able to do work, because the peopleware are the people that own the system, work with the system. If in a situation where a system has everything without peopleware, peopleware cannot be able to work. So this regard we call them component. Component are those things that make computer to be complete. And these peopleware is divided into two in computer. We have what we call the user and the professionals. The user and the professional. User are those people that just use computer system. They don't know anything about computer, they are just operating computer. Example, the people that use a computer in communication centers like GSM. And the professionals are those people that train and acquire a certificate based on computer system. Example of the professionals, we have like computer programmers, computer educators, computer maintainers, computer engineers. system analyst, whatever, and the rest. So at this juncture, we are going to call it a day. This marks the end of our tutorial for component of computer. Then we are going to move on the next episode on generation of computer next time. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. As you view my channel, subscribe my channel and like my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very all. I remain humble comrade maliskhan Shikawi from Shika area of the local government Kaduna State, Nigeria. Thank you. God bless you all.